The Bullet septic tank is one of the easiest tanks in the UK to install, thanks to its low profile, shallow dig design. This amazing septic tank will just take you under an hour to get in the ground with a mini digger. It's no wonder this is the UK's most popular selling septic tank today. So, how do you install this amazing Bullet septic tank? Well, it's really easy. Once you've dug the hole, put the tank straight into the hole. It doesn't need to sit on gravel or shingle because underneath the tank, it's got special feet and legs which make sure it sits firm and it sits flat. Once you've got it in the hole, backfill around the tank with 20 to 30 mil shingle. Or you can put sand in there. The reason it doesn't need concreting is because of the tank's amazing rib design. So it just absorbs any water pressure, stopping it popping out of the ground. Once you've backfilled with shingle, just cover everything over with topsoil. Job done. You can also attach a riser to the Bullet septic tank. A riser is basically an extension piece, like a chimney, that allows you to lower the tank deeper into the ground. Say if you want to match up and meet up with existing pipework, it's really easy to attach it to the tank. It just clips into place, and you can also adjust the height of it by cutting it down to your desired length. Now, once you've done that, just simply again backfill with 20 to 30 mil gravel or shingle and cover with topsoil. Job done.